Hi everyone, welcome to KichaTube HD. Today we are making shirred eggs with mushroom sauce. So let's start. So first we'll be making the mushroom sauce. To a pan, add butter. And wait until the butter is melted. Today my Little Big Shots episode is releasing. I can't wait to see myself on TV. The butter is melted. Then we add chopped garlic and cook it until it becomes golden brown. Little Big Shots US doesn't show in India, so I'm a little sad I can't watch it live, but my sister can watch it, and for that I'm happy. I met Steve Harvey in the Little Big Shot and I was pleased to meet him. That is very funny man. I enjoyed cooking with him Knickerbocker Glory or Faluda. And next let's add the mushrooms and then cook for 5 minutes. In between, add the salt and pepper. Cook until the mushrooms are soft and that way I've absorbed all the flavor. The mushrooms are soft and it smells heavenly. Next, add the Worcestershire sauce. Next. Finally, add the cream. Cook for a few minutes. Then add parsley on top for garnishing and then switch on the fire. Let's do the second part. I've preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. I have 2 greased ramkins I've greased it with melted butter. Add the mushroom sauce. Next, add the eggs. Let's add egg number 2. Next, add pepper and salt. Sprinkle grated parmesan cheese. Finally, garnish with parsley. Place them in a tray. Add boiling water. It's a huge mess. Bake it for nearly 15 minutes until it's cooked, but the egg yolk should be a little wobbly. I baked it in a water bath for 15 minutes and now the shirred eggs are ready. Let's taste. Oh. I'm going to say this dish is amazing. I eat 10 of this. This is epic, super epic. So, this mushroom sauce is the thing that makes it so yummy. I want more. Thank you for watching KichaTube HD. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KichaTube. Watch me and Steve Harvey cook in NBC Little Big Shots and please do tell me how it was. Bye!